Hey, welcome back to the vlog. I just want to do a little video just to show you like what I got on the mail today. This will be the overlay for the rear bumper on the 2018 WRX. Right on top of that diffuser, that line will go on the rear bumper. They actually sent me two, so if I screw one, which I probably will, then I get another one. Hopefully by the second time I get it right. Then I got this right here. And this, look, they even sent me an air freshener. Anyway, this right here, this is the overlay for the steering wheel. If you watch my other video where I got the steering wheel, the center of the steering wheel overlay, this will be what it go on the steering wheel. I just got this today. Been wanting to do this for so long. Finally got them. So should be a pretty simple install. Boom. I got more overlays coming. I got these two here and this overlay right here. This one go on your side mirrors. This overlay is for the bottom part of your side mirrors. So I got them in silver because I wanna have the top and the bottom part in silver for the look that I'm trying to get. So yeah, hopefully I've been installing this maybe this week, depending on the weather. At least this I probably starting today, but this depending on the weather I probably wait to get maybe a little warmer or a better day. So yeah, more overlays. I'm an overlay fan, I guess. Well, there you go. Thanks for all the new subscribers. Thanks for the support. I appreciate it. You know what I mean? Not mandatory, but if you're here watching this video, I appreciate it and welcome. Please subscribe, hit the like button, help me out. God bless you. Be safe, Till the next one.